Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are in New Brunswick, Grand Falls to be exact, at Sandy's place to try out some of their poutines. They have supposedly over 30 different kinds of poutines, so let's go check it out. So here she is, a small little like casse-croûte style place with over 30 poutines. Look at this. And they got burgers, they got cheesecake, they got all kinds of stuff. So let's go and check it out. Look at all these delicious cheesecakes. I think I'm on a cruise almost. All kinds of desserts. And then on the top we have canteen style food. And then on the side here, all the different poutines you can order and the prices. They have quite a few of them. While we're waiting for our poutines, let me show you the delicious dessert menu. They have score cheesecake, white chocolate lemon cheesecake, bumbleberry cheesecake, red velvet cake, turtle cheesecake, colossal carrot cake, and they all look delicious as you've seen in the display case. So I'm so excited to eat my food. Where is my food? I'm hungry. Food just got here.
So this is bacon.
Turn over towards me a bit.
Oh, there's no bacon. Oh, yes.
Of course it's bacon. This looks like an old style Quebec poutine. Look at it. That looks delicious. All right, let's go to the next one.
This is steak.
Smells delicious. Oh, again, old style looking poutine. And then with prime rib.
Prime rib, peppers and onions.
And the last poutine, which is my poutine, it's a bacon cheeseburger poutine. Let's see the beauty. Oh, look at this. Now it's just time to try them. Looks delicious. Okay, so let's try the bacon cheeseburger poutine first.
All right, so there's hamburger meat, bacon, cheese. Let's do it. I didn't get anything in it though. Hold on. That gravy is that dark, rich gravy. I'm really a fan of that. The fries are extra crispy, even though they're under this monstrosity.
Cheese. Deliciousness of cheese.
Yes.
Yes.
And the meat is tender. So far, pretty good. This next one is a steak, onions and pepper.
Get a piece of that steak over
I'm
there.
gonna get a piece of this steak with some curd and a potato.
Is curd squeaky or? Because
let me
here
try
you
it
don't
again.
really get squeaky cheese. It's kind of squeaky, but
It's not squeaky, but good taste. The peppers and steak. The steak is extra tender, actually. Really good. Mine's the superior percent, I think.
we'll see. One left to
It
try.
is good.
And we have the bacon poutine. Let's try that one out.
Add a little piece of bacon. Cheers. The saltiness of the bacon really changes the taste. But that gravy, it hits. That is fire. All of them so far, A1. If you guys are in the area, please come and check out Sandy's place. It's local. She is just wonderful. Try it out. This is a bite, not a fly.
There you have it, guys. We've tried 3 of the over 30 poutines here at Sandy's place here in Grand Falls. Delicious. I'm so full. Time to go home and maybe take a nap. See you later.